totally forgot what I looked like, but it's good. To Zoo Lights. He's never been to Zoo Lights and it's been a long time for me. But yeah, we're excited. He's back here. Anyways, I'm vlogging. I got camera shy. Cookie. Yeah, we're going to Zoo Lights and come on. Yeah. All right. I'm done.
Somebody wants to say hi. That's it. Wow, I missed it. Okay.
Yeah. Let's turn off the light in the office and we are on our way to Zoo Lights. So Hannah's in the back and Justin's driving. How does it feel to have the camera in your face now?
I don't like it.
We've made it into Zoo Lights.
Instead of what? Just saying.
Here's Amanda. Hannah. Hannah, you're perfect for the vlog. You just do a little wave. Okay, so it has been a while since I've received samples of some things that potentially, most likely, will be on my site. And I just got a box in the mail and I'm so excited. So I have no idea what is in the box. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so I actually am moving to the floor. I have no idea what is in this box. I kind of have an idea, but come on. Okay, let's see. This probably isn't the best angle, but it's fine, right? I cannot get this open. Aha. OMG. Girls. Probably should have grabbed some scissors. They're golden retriever slippers. Oh my goodness. Do you love those, Daisy? I think somebody likes them. No, you don't get to have them now. Come over here, come on.
Come over here, come on.
No, no. No, they're not toys. They're not toys. Okay, so we have some slippers. I am freaking out. That's some new candle samples that I'm gonna smell. Guys, these are so cute. Okay, so first of all, I don't know if you can see this, but the backing says Callie Danielle, and it's two little pens. I'm pretty sure they're black ink pens, but they have little, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. I feel like such a YouTuber doing that. Okay. They're golden retrievers. So it comes with two. And then here's the other one. So they look the same on both sides. It's like the back of the golden retriever, just like all of the Stay Golden shirts. These are so cute. All right, so I have some white shirts that I'm going to try out. Okay, I need to try those on. And also this one. We're trying out new fabrics and everything, so ooh, I like that. It's slouchy. I don't know if I can show this one to y'all yet. So I'm gonna just put this one aside. So we have a new black spotted cardigan. I don't know if you could hear me with all of the noise. And then there's this one, it kind of matches the wall, but it's a cream color, or like a tan. Sand. Well, if I could get this open. So cute. I will have to try these on for you guys whenever I have a mirror. I actually don't have a mirror set up. The dogs broke the mirror, so I'm on the hunt for a new one. But that's everything in the box. There's something very exciting in this box, and I can't wait. You'll have to stay tuned for that. I'm freaking out. Okay, I will check back in later, so I'll be back. Okay, in this little tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make sure that your, whatever you might want centered on your screen is centered. So to do that, we are going, well, I already have my little image here, and this is a layer. So whenever you select a layer, you can obviously use the little cursor button up here. And yeah, so as you can see, I can try my best to get it centered like this, or there's an easier way. So you'll go to your little tool actions button, and then it's on canvas, and then you're going to click drawing guide. So on the drawing guide, you can see that little boxes appear, or like a grid, and I'm going to simply make the screen larger, and this is centered right here, but you can, or maybe this one is. That's the thing is, and notice this is like kind of loose for me, so I'm gonna click snapping and go to magnetic, and it makes it more aligned. So I think this is the center, but we're going to double check. So I can easily tell on the sides we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder, honestly, there might be an easier way to figure out if it's on the center. I wish there was like a way to see, I don't know, I wish they had marks on the sides, but they don't. And then obviously from top to bottom, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so this is the center. And that's it. And you can turn the grid off if you want to see it like that. So it's that easy. And yeah, this, I'm gonna be posting this, well, by the time you watch this video, this will already be posted on my Instagram stories. So, and I have it in the highlights. So if you want this calendar, it's a phone wallpaper calendar, and yeah. Okay, so I went to go edit the videos that I've already done, which hopefully you've seen by now. And my computer and my iPad decided to, unfortunately, not cooperate anymore. I'm staring down at the ground, waiting for my iPad to hopefully transfer to a new iPad. I did not think I was going to need a new iPad, but that's where I do all of my work, most of it at least. And then on the computer, and my computer, it's getting a little older, so it's not working as well. So I had to order a computer. And what a way to start off the year. It's gonna be okay. I'm just praying that my Procreate items will be transferred over to my new iPad, because if you've followed me on Instagram for a while, you know that last year around this time, my iPad completely crashed and I lost everything, so wish me luck. And I guess I'll just end this here. I was planning to just, yeah, do a fun sit down, but it's all good. It's all good. What a great video to start off the year with, but this is real life. This is real life. But anyways, I'm excited for you guys to tune in, and yeah, happy 2021. I'm actually really looking forward to it. Yeah, but I need this iPad to start. Okay, I love y'all. Goodbye.